So today I wanted to talk to you about the greater than and less than signs. So a few people get confused between which way around the signs go. So I want to show you a really easy way to remember it. So if we have a look, the greater than, less than signs are used all through maths to describe the relationship between two numbers, two fractions, two different equations. So the way round that they go is that the wider part of the sign always goes towards the bigger number or the bigger fraction, whatever it is you're looking at. So if I gave two numbers like 3 and 2, 3 is greater than 2. So that's the way round it goes. The wider side eats the bigger number. And to explain this, we use a crocodile. And the crocodile's very hungry and he always eats the bigger number. So I could actually make that into a crocodile. Obviously in maths we do it without the teeth, but we could make that into a crocodile. Equally the other way round, 5 is less than 10. And again, we can look at it with the crocodile and say 5 is less than 10. I could put the teeth on, draw the little eye, 5 is less than 10. So that's the way round that they go. They always eat the bigger number. Now, these will come up all through maths. They start in year 1 and they go right through school. So these signs will become more and more popular as you go through school. So we start with something like two small numbers in year 1 and we start to think which is the greater number, and you can use dots or blocks or anything to help the child to visualize which is the bigger number. And then obviously you would put the sign 7 is bigger, so 5 is less than 7. Then we get on to 2-digit numbers, and 54 is again less than 72. And hopefully in year 1, children are starting to be able to explain that 54 is less than 72 because 72 has more tens. So that's what we're hoping the language they're going to use. They're going to use that place value language of tens and ones. And then through school, they will become popular with fractions, and so just single unit fractions, other fractions, fractions with different denominators. And then we get to more complicated problems like this, where children have got to work out one side, work out the other side, and then work out which answer is greater. So really popular signs used all through school. There is, if your child is struggling with these, you could make, and I made here to help children here, some crocodiles with some big sharp teeth. And I've just put them on a split pin, and just made a strip of card and put some teeth on. So you could have great fun making these, and the crocodile comes along and eats the bigger number. And equally I've made one the other way round, so the crocodile is going to eat the number on the other side. So you can have great fun making these, and that will really help your child to really understand the meaning of those signs. Thanks for listening.